As Zimbabwe grapples with President Emmerson Mnangagwa's determined bid to extend his rule beyond his two-term constitutional limit, due in 2028, by 2 years to 2030, it has now become clear strong constitutional provisions and safeguards can help prevent leaders from overstaying in power. The current Zimbabwe constitution has strong safeguards which have made it difficult for Mnangagwa to maneuver. Ashiberi mushe sana bina mashuka budanyi kwa panapa nutubwa subscribe ole icon, turn on the bell icon. Tibina panapa the news also nyora vachiti. It has rigid terms limits. Leaders are allowed to serve 2 terms for 5 years each. This helps prevent them from staying in power indefinitely. It became imperative after the nightmarish experience with the late former President Robert Mugabe, who ruled for 37 years until he was ousted in a coup November 2017. Ironically, by his protege, Mnangagwa, the fixed tenure for leaders was motivated by the need to have a democratic constitution which limits how long incumbents can be in power, and also Mugabe's disastrous long rule. Not only does the Zimbabwean constitution have term limits, it also further says if one wants to change that they must go through a national referendum. But then again, not only that, even if the term limits are to be varied, changed or removed altogether, that cannot benefit the incumbent. Though mashuka turi kuona panapa ari kubuda panapa taura chiti aiwa maprovisions ekuamenda the constitution aiwa haabudi noda kuti vari kuzviona sezvisiri unconstitutional vachiti aiwa takatombozviona kune vamwe vatomborula for more than 30 years but as a stop kuzvimisa kuti zvosaitika takaona kuti vakomana ava vanenge ndo vaitomobiliza kuti aiwa Mugabe arege kutonga more years kuti vapindewo but zvatakuona kuti vakuda kuchinja the same zvinhu zvavakamboramba. Bvunzai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pindai mucomment section medu, musano subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.